Hi everyone! In this video, we will talk about Dollybar ERP and CRM. Dollybar is a free, open-source ERP and CRM software suite designed to streamline business operations for company sizes of all size. It offers a modular design, allowing users to enable only the features they need, such as sale management, stock management, invoicing, and many more. Some of the key features of Dollybar are modularity. Activate only the modules that are relevant to your business, ensuring a tailored experience. A user-friendly interface designed for ease of use, making it accessible to users with varying technical expertise. Customization. Highly customizable through a wide range of add-ons and extensions available in the marketplace. Web-based access. Accessible for any device with an internet connection, facilitating remote work and mobility. Lastly is the open source flexibility. As an open source solution, it benefits from continuous improvements and community contributions. While Dollybar is a robust solution, the best ERP and CRM system depends on specific business needs, including required features, scalability, user-friendliness, and community support. It's advisable to evaluate Dollybar alongside other open source systems to determine the best fit for your organization. And that's basically it.